How often do you need to treat a septic tank? Maintaining a septic tank is crucial for preventing costly repairs and ensuring the system works efficiently. But how often should you treat it? Regular maintenance and care can extend the lifespan of your system and avoid problems. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Here's a straightforward guide to help you understand when and how to care for your septic system. 1. Understanding septic tank functionality. A septic tank separates waste into 3 layers: solids settle at the bottom, sludge, liquids in the middle, and fats or oils float on top. Bacteria break down the solids, but the process is slow, requiring periodic treatment to prevent buildup and blockages. 2. General treatment frequency. Typically, a septic tank needs treatment every 3 to 5 years, depending on its size, the number of household occupants, and water usage. Larger households or smaller tanks may require more frequent attention. 3. Pumping the tank. Pumping removes sludge buildup, preventing blockages. Most tanks need pumping every 3 to 5 years. Delaying this step can result in backups and unpleasant odors. 4. Using bacterial additives. Bacterial additives can help break down waste faster. While helpful, they should not replace regular pumping. These additives can improve the system's efficiency, especially for tanks under heavy use. 5. Managing water use. Excessive water can overwhelm the septic system. Spread out laundry loads, fix leaks, and avoid excessive chemical use, which can disrupt the bacteria in the tank. 6. Signs your septic tank needs treatment. Watch for slow drainage, gurgling sounds in pipes, unpleasant smells, or water pooling near the tank. These can signal that your septic tank needs immediate attention. 7. Consequences of neglecting treatment. Ignoring treatment can lead to severe blockages, sewage backups, and damage to the drain field. This can result in costly repairs or replacements, and may even pose environmental risks by contaminating nearby water sources. By following these steps, you can maintain your septic system and prevent future problems, keeping your household running smoothly. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.